Vanakkam students. Internal structure of dicot stem. Previous class, internal structure of dicot stem and dicot monocot stem. First of all, discuss with internal structure of dicot stem. For example, sunflower. Epidermis, it is one of the outermost layer. This layer is made up of single layer. It contains parenchyma cells. The outer wall is covered by cuticle. Then function protection. This layer is very important in the epidermal hair also present. Then cortex. Cortex, they are divided into three groups. First one hypodermis. Second one middle cortex. Third one inner cortex. Hypodermis, 3 to 6 layers of collenchyma cells. These cells are arranged in a linear manner and it gives mechanical support to the cortex. Then middle cortex, few layers of chlorenchyma cells. Chlorenchyma cells also involving in the photosynthesis process. They are present in the chloroplast. Chloroplast involving in the process of photosynthesis. Then inner cortex, the few layers of gaseous exchange, it will store the food materials. Then endodermis. Endodermis is a innermost layer. This layer parallel in shaped. It contains starch grains and starch seed. Then stele. Stele is a central part of the stem inner endodermis. It consists of pericycle, vascular bundle and pith. The pericycle, first one, they are divided into three groups: pericycle, vascular bundle and pith. First one, pericycle. The pericycle occurs between the vascular bundle and endodermis. This is multi-layered parenchymatous cells alternating the sclerenchyma cells. Then vascular bundle. It is a conjoined. Conjoined means xylem and phloem are arranged in a radius manner. Then collateral and end arc. Then it is open type. They are arranged in a ring around the pith. Then last one, third, pith. It is a large central parenchymatous zone. It contains intercellular space that is called pith. It is the function of storage of food materials. See the picture. Outer layer of epidermis is present. It contains hair-like structures that is called epidermal hair. Then epidermis, outer layer that is also called as epidermis, and inner layer of hypodermis. Then endodermis also present. The epidermis and endodermis, the space between that is also called as cortex. This space is also called as cortex. And vascular bundle, it contains a intercellular space that is called pith. That's all. Then internal structure of monocot stem. For example, moist. Epidermis, it is the always otherwise told as outermost layer. This layer is single layer. It is covered with thick cuticle. The multicellular hair is absent. Internal structure of dicot stem contains epidermal hair but not contain internal structure of monocot stem. Then stomata is present. It is less in number. Then hypodermis. This is a few layers of sclerenchyma interrupted chlorenchyma. It is used as the mechanical support to the epidermis. Then ground tissue. Ground tissue means entire mass of parenchymatous cells. It is extending to the center. That is also called as ground tissue. It is not differentiated into endodermis and cortex, then pericycle and pith. Then vascular bundle. The structure of vascular bundle, it is called skull shaped, scattered in the ground tissue. It is skull shaped, scattered in the ground tissues also present. It is a conjoined and collateral, then end arc and closed type of vascular bundle. Then it is surrounded by few layers of sclerenchyma cells that is also called as spindle sheath. Then it contains first one xylem, second one phloem, third one pith. Xylem is differentiated into metaxylem and protoxylem. They are arranged in xylem vessels. Then it is V or Y-shaped cells also present. Protoxylem disintegrate means disappear. It will form a gold that is called protoxylem lacuna. Then phloem. Phloem is a sieve tube cells like this. Sieve tube cells. Then and companion cells. இதில் xylem option phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers also absent. It is not differentiated into cells. For example, see the picture. Outermost layer is a epidermis and scattered cells also called as crown tissue. Then vascular bundle also present. That's all.